Hello everyone. Today we are going to do with the chapter 1.4 Big Data, Big Insights. Now looking at the title Big Data, what do you understand by the word data? Data means known facts. Now these facts could be in numbers. Not only numbers, but it could be words, it could be sounds, images. Okay, so the word data and information is used interchangeably. Data can be used in various sectors as well, just like in scientific research, in finance, in business management, in governance, and so on. Now we need to collect the data. So the data is collected, it is it is measured, it is reported, okay, and it is validated. So you just validate it in the sense it has to be true and genuine. You cannot use fake data, right? So why is this data correct? What is the use of it? So that you get certain insights. Now insights is to understand the pros and cons, the cause and the effect of a certain particular situation. Okay, so when you analyze that situation, you could come out with better solutions and better decisions. That's why all this is taken care of. Now let's try to understand this chapter in detail. I am referring to page 36 and 37 of the textbook. Now what is big data? That's the question that they ask. So we know that information technology has affected our lives, everyday lives, in so many ways that our food habits, our healthcare, traveling, everything depends on this technology, or what you call this data. Have you ever thought that whatever information that we exchange on a daily basis on Facebook, on WhatsApp, or any other social media that we use is all stored up there, and it can be, even if it is deleted, it can be retrieved or it can be taken back at any time. Okay, so it is all saved out there in big servers, or what you call as cloud storage. Okay, so all of our activities actually monitored. Okay, so it is, everything is recorded and monitored. So you just cannot even imagine how much of our data is being exchanged or delivered on a daily basis. So they say that data can be petabytes or hexabytes. This is the unit or the calculation, or you would say the amount of information that is being sent by millions of people across the world. Okay, so now this data can be used by big industrialists in huge volume, because it's available in huge volume, in different variations, in great speed, with great accuracy, and it's of a great value. Okay, so the biggest advantage is that it is easily accessible. Okay, things it has made, the information technology has made things greatly available, easily available to us, but as it has increased our challenges as well. Okay, lot many cases of fraud have increased. So earlier we had to maintain lots of the records would be maintained in the books. So now you need in books, I think, yes, no other way of saving it. It was manual, so now it is all digitalized and it is saved in small spaces. It is not time consuming and it is easily accessible. So that's what matters, the organization of the data in a very systematic way and retrieving it whenever needed. That's the most important thing. Now where all this big data is being used? So firstly, what they say is it's used for location tracking. Okay, so if you have your mobile and you put on your GPS, it catches hold of the location where you are immediately, which can be used by the cybercrime or the CBI or the police, if you've committed some crime. So your GPS and the Google Maps, which help you track the location, it's good actually, because it gives you information about the traffic, the congestion, which route you can go, if especially when you log into FM radio. They have this information, they give information on various routes where possibly the traffic could be diverted and what's going on in different places. That's a wonderful thing. And also, you can track your goods. If you have ordered goods online, some product online, then you can see where your shipment has reached. So that's another a good thing about it. Secondly, what they say is understanding the weather conditions. Okay, so since we have all the weather sensors and the satellite being activated, we receive information, and they can forecast the weather condition, how it's going to be, so that we are well prepared to face the upcoming disasters. Just like any calamity like flood, earthquake, or heavy rains can be predicted well in advance. So helps for the weather. It helps the weather conditions, predict weather conditions. Then next is the healthcare industry. People these days have become very health conscious about their food, about the exercise, because health related issues are also on the rise. So you have some smart watches, to make it more easier. You have those smart watches which can be worn, which can keep a tab of the footsteps you have taken. Also some health apps. So if you see regularly on TV, we have seen the Setu, Arogya Setu app. Okay. Then next, I even have come across on FB, you have the Healthify Me app. So all these, what do these app help? They help. How do they help? They help in detecting our heart rate, monitoring the patient's sleep pattern. They keep a record of the exercise. They also suggest you some good diet. All this. So all of it is monitored. Your blood pressure, uh, your sugar level is, whether it's under control. So all of this information is available. Even doctors are available 24/7, whereby they can take the information of their patients, for the diagnosis of their illness. And so that you can even post your queries, and the doctors will respond to you and may prescribe you the possible medications without having to visit their clinic personally. Then fourthly, we have the highly benefited sector is the banking, finance, and the trading sector. um, when you visit a bank, for any purpose, the person at the counter, the executive which is sitting in front of you, might, if you have a good amount of savings, you will always notice that they come up with certain plans, investment plans. They will say that, if you have a good salary, and you want to make certain investments for your future, then they will come up with LIC policies or pension plans, or certain mutual funds which will be beneficial for you and which would give you certain returns in the long run. So they study, again, this is all based on the study of your account, savings account, okay, savings or current account, okay, and they will suggest you the suitable plan for it. Also, because as I said, information is easily accessible, so is the crime also increased. So many bank frauds have taken place. Money has been swept off in the blink of an eye. Okay, but then they also have what do you say? Mm, they could prevent. They have certain methodology or a system where they could prevent the certain cyber crimes happening, or bank fraud, or asking you to exchange your numbers, all these can be stopped and also can be detected from where this particular fraud has taken place. It can also help in finding out some missed transactions, some wrong transactions have been carried out, who, from where, and when it was done, that can be tracked. So it becomes easier for the banks, to carry out the transactions. Now, this all is taken care by the Securities Exchange Commission. So they monitor the financial market and possibly try to curb the illegal activities which are going on. So this is very beneficial for them. Also, in the high frequency trade, the HFT is an area where big data finds a lot of use. So even in trading sector, a lot of this big data is being used today. They make use of certain algorithms, that is the mathematical calculations, and to find out through by the use of social media, so that buying and selling of trade and shares can become more easy and smooth. So we've seen almost 3-4 sectors how this big data is being available and it is utilized by these sectors, um, especially for the making the life of the customers smooth, okay, and all the transactions that can be carried out very smoothly. Okay, so in the next coming lectures we will see some other sectors where this big data is being utilized in a very systematic and efficient way. I hope you understood till here. Thank you.